In this video, we will learn how to use comma to shifting the space in Excel sheet. So let's start this Excel sheet. I have here some employee name. Here you see the row line and employee name not have any space between it. So I want here the slightly space. It is a not actual space. So here I am using the one trick. First select the full column and go to the home tab and click on the comma. When you click on the comma, here you see the slightly space between the row line, row number and employee name. But this is the actual not space. When you double click on it and use here the backspace, the space is not here showing. So this is a way you can set the some space between the row line and your data. So I am using here the shift again the word with the attached it with the roll number. So again I go to the home tab and click on this arrow and select the general. When you select the general, the all data is shift with the and attached with the totally with the row line. Again I want the same space. Click on the comma. Here you see the changes is showing here. So this is a way you can use the comma and showing the slightly space it is a not actual space between the data. So this is a way you can use the format to formatting your data. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.